Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shopify email with AI Insights automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Shopify App Store from your dashboard. In the search bar, type Shopify email and press enter. Locate the Shopify email app from the search results. Click on the app to open its details page. Select the Add App button to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your store. Once installed, proceed to your Shopify admin panel. Look for the Apps section in the left sidebar and click on it. Find and select Shopify Email from your list of installed apps. Inside the Shopify Email dashboard, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to configure your email marketing preferences. Now, find the AI Insights automation feature within the settings. Enable AI Insights automation to start using personalized data to enhance your email campaigns. Next, customize your email templates according to your brand's identity. In the email creation section, select a template that suits your campaign needs. Add your content, including images, text, and calls to action, to make it engaging. Review your email to ensure everything aligns with your branding and message. Once satisfied, return to the dashboard to finalize your subscription setup. Look for options related to audience segmentation in your settings. Utilize AI Insights to define your target audience based on shopping behavior. Finalize your subscription by confirming your desired settings. Now you're ready to launch your first email campaign automated with AI Insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.